Whether you are getting ready for the pancake day or you just want something sweet, this is the recipe to remember. We are making pancakes today and this is the very easy recipe to follow. I'll see you at the end of this video with a bit more talk about pancakes. Enjoy! And we are back with the wrap up. Wrapping up this video, I have a few points that I need to talk about. To ensure that you're gonna get the best results, I would suggest using butter instead of oil. It's important to sieve your flour not just because you wanna get rid of any impurities, if there are any in the flour, but because you wanna have nice fluffy pancakes. This might be very obvious, but when it comes to cook the pancakes, don't overcook them. I know, it's nothing worse than a rubbery pancake, or even worse, that one that got burned. So what I'm recommending you to do It's basically check it time to time. If you're not confident enough when it comes to cooking, check it time to time, just flip it slightly over and see. When you get to that golden brown color that I mentioned in the video, you're good to go. This was just an example of how easy it is to make pancakes at home. Of course, you can go crazy when it comes to toppings. You can either add whipping cream, you can add honey instead of maple syrup, you can add normal syrup, whatever you like. Even with the fruits, you can go crazy. That was Kitchen Draft for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and obviously if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we are in this mission to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. This is the goal that I set up, and I'm pretty sure with your help I'll get there. Obviously, share this with your friends and your family, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom!